Lori and I have always been best friends. We aren't just stuck together, we fit together. We even play in band together. And my best chance to make District Honor Band is to perform a duet with Lori. Then Michael transferred to our school, and suddenly everything is changing. He plays clarinet like me, and now he wants my spot in District Honor Band. And he wants Lori. And the problems keep piling up. Dad moved out, and now Mom is doing community theater in public. And my friend Aaron thinks he's more than a friend. Somehow I have to solve these problems or end up with nothing.